Cold sore is an infection with the herpes simplex virus around the lips border. It is characterized by a group of tiny painful blisters. Cold sore is very common and spreads easily. They are most likely to show up on the outside of your mouth and the lips, but you can also get it on your nose and your cheek. Cold sore happens in stages beginning from a tingling, burning, and itching feeling. Then it escalates to a blister forming. Then the area becomes red, swollen, and painful, leading to bleeding. In no time, a scab forms on the sore and later cracks and falls off. During this process, you tend to experience swollen gums, swollen glands in your neck, fever, and muscle aches. On this video, I am going to be sharing with you the causes of cold sore and the remedies, natural remedies you can use to treat and get rid of cold sore naturally and permanently. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, endeavor to turn on your notification bell, thumbs up this video, and share this video all over the globe. Now that you've subscribed, let's quickly dive into the causes of cold sore. Number 1, some food you eat. The kind of food you eat can trigger cold sore. Stress, viral infections like common cold and others, fever, cold, allergies like food allergies is an example. It comes like rash, runny nose, sneezing, red eyes, fatigue, sunburn, strong sunlight causes cold sore, and wind, on the other hand, also causes cold sore. Cosmetic surgery and dental work is a common cause. Hormonal change like the menstruation leads to cold sore. Changes in immune system, injury on the skin. Our first DIY treatment is tea tree oil and coconut oil. Note that it's the first doesn't make it the best. All the DIY treatments I am going to be sharing on this channel today in treating your cold sore are as effective as they seem. Tea tree oil has antiseptic, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties comes handy when using tea tree oil to treat a cold sore, and its potency has been proven over and over again. Coconut oil, on the other hand, contains medium chain triglycerides, that have strong antiviral and antifungal and even antibiotic properties, all of which promote the treatment of cold sore and even goes a long way in preventing it from reoccurring. So you just have to put 15 ml of coconut oil and 6 drops of tea tree oil in a container. Mix it very well. Make use of a cotton wool and dab it on your cold sore. You can decide to repeat this treatment 3 times or 2 times in a day until you see maximum effect. You can as well dab this treatment only at night and use it overnight on your cold sore. This treatment is very effective and has proven itself to work on cold sore without any side effects recorded. The second DIY treatment we'll be using to treat your cold sore is green tea and mint leaf. You can get a green tea that comes with mint leaf, or you can get a mint leaf and a green tea and use them together. It's quite the same. Green tea boosts healing herpes labias due to the potent antioxidants, which is catechins from the tea tree plant. Green tea has therapeutic effects on virus infections such as cold sores. Mint leaf, on the other hand, are known as a refreshing after-dinner beverage. It is also a potent traditional medicine, and due to its antimicrobial and antiviral properties, mint leaves is very extra effective against cold sore. So you can take 1 tea bag of green tea and mint leaf, put it in a small bowl and add warm water. Don't make it too watery, just make it in a way that it's gonna be a mask, a loose mask. Use this mixture to mask on your cold sore to get its effects. You can leave this overnight, or you can rinse it out with cold water after 30 to 40 minutes of application. Our third DIY treatment to use in treating your cold sore naturally is peppermint oil and witch hazel. Peppermint oil is one essential oil with the ability to kill a virus that has been activated. Just like peppermint leaves contains antimicrobial and antiviral properties, so does peppermint oil. Witch hazel helps ease the irritation as effects from the cold sore, and also has a drying effect on the skin surrounding the cold sore due to its strong astringent effect. Keeping the area dry will help it heal fast. And that's exactly what witch hazel does. Combining it with peppermint oil is an excellent treatment that works quickly in eliminating cold sore on your skin. Try this treatment and let me know the feedback in the comment section. Hope this will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.